My name is Ian Schooler and I'm Managing Director of Print Solutions. Vela in its very basic form is a window film, but it's different. It's a window film with cutting-edge technology. It's taking electricity charge to the film, and in one element it'll frost, and in another element it'll go totally clear. We're the exclusive distributor in Ireland for Vela, so the onus of responsibility for us is to ensure that the process abides to certified rules. Normally, the certification process is held in Holland, and obviously we can't go to Holland because we had COVID, so we had to do this here. The team of people here hosted a 2-day event. The fitters from Ireland attended the event here. The technical trainers were located in Israel, were located in Holland, and they were remote. The training was video streamed to the technical trainers. The processes that needed to be used in installing Vela was done remotely to physical. Everybody was so pleased that we were able to pull it off, and the feeling of feel-good that was in the company for pulling it off was like high-five moment. We got the certification process done, and a nice part of the story is that we actually won a contract in court with a big computer company with the fitter that was trained, so it was a nice outcome.